Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer all of your content from last year's Canvas course into this year's course. And I'll also show you real quickly how you can make a change to your name of your course right there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tap on Settings. Now I'm in my course settings, and in order to change that course name right here, I'm going to change this to the classroom teacher's name. And I'm going to make sure that I include the year 23, 24. So your grade, your name, and the year. You can take and copy and paste right here so that the name is in both spots. Now within your settings, remember it does not autosave, so you need to scroll all the way down and update course details. So now that is changed. It's much better looking than just saying 5th grade. It identifies who it is, and that's very helpful to parents. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the Home button. And you'll see in your new course, we have our default home page set here. And that's all right. That you'll be able to change once you import your course content. So now I'm going to go over here and click this button that says Import Existing Content. So I'll click here. I'm going to import last year's course content into this year's course. Under Content Type, I'm going to say Copy a Canvas course. Now, when you search for your course, hopefully last year you would have named that course with your name. If not, you're going to have to take a look for the exact title of your course. So since last year's course was not renamed with the teacher's name, I needed to look up the SIS ID number, which you'll find in your course. And that pops up so you can see we've got the generic name of the course. I know this is the correct course because I looked it up. So I'm going to keep this check marked right here. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to import all content or select specific content? You might find that there's some content that you don't want imported, but if you just wanted to get everything in one swipe, click all content. If not, here's what it will look like when you click select specific content. We definitely want to adjust events and due dates and click remove dates. You do not want those dates to stay on any assignments. Now, once I click import down here, it's going to allow me to select content. So let's click import, and then it's waiting for my selections, so I need to do select content. So now it's taking me to all my content. If my course settings for my menu navigation for students were set correctly with very few showing, you can import your course settings. We aren't using a syllabus in elementary, so you can keep it there. Now, modules, I want to know what modules are there. So I'm going to click the modules that appear to be modules that were in use. I'm not going to click the example module. So we'll click every module that appears to have been used last year. Under assignments, 221 assignments, let's click. I'm definitely not going to want to click and select every single assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and select all assignments. Discussion topics, let's bring all of those over. I'm going to click the arrow on pages because we are likely not to want these generic home pages. However, I don't see a homepage that's named in a way that I know if it's the correct homepage from last year. So because I cannot tell which is the homepage from last year, I'm going to go ahead and import all the pages. Better to have it there than not there. External tools, let's see what those are. Okay, so 3 of them, those are duplicates, so let's pick one of them. I'm not going to import announcements. Let's check on our rubrics. That looks like something we'll want to import. I'm going to import all of those files because that would relate to images within yours. So now that I've carefully gone through and selected, and of course you can just import everything. No harm in that. Otherwise, you might have extra things, but that'll be good. And I'll click select content. Once I'm done that, you've done that, it will say that it is queued, and it generally does not take long to have things copied over. It's already running. And once it's copied over, if I click back home, I'm not going to have my homepage from last year. You will need to go into your pages and set your original homepage as new. So it's almost through running. Make sure you contact your friendly tech coach if you have any issues with this process, and make sure you rename your course. Have a great day.